In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zapier SMS notifications, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can seamlessly create a notification system that automatically sends text based on new entries in your Google Sheets. This is perfect for staying updated without having to keep an eye on your spreadsheets constantly. Let's start by heading over to the Zapier website. If you're unfamiliar, Zapier is a tool that connects different applications to automate workflows, known as Zaps. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on Log In. If you already have a Zapier account, you'll be prompted here to log in using your Google account for ease. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the Zapier homepage. From here, locate and click on the Create button. Creating a Zap is the foundation for setting up our SMS notifications. After clicking Create, you need to select Zaps from the menu. This leads you to the starting point for designing our notification workflow. The first part of creating a Zap is setting up a trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the workflow. Click on Trigger, and from the available connections, choose Google Sheets. This selection means we're setting up our trigger to be based on data from a Google Sheet. Next, you'll be asked to choose an event. For this tutorial, select New Spreadsheet Row. This option means that every time a new row is added to your specified Google Sheet, the Zap will trigger the following steps. After that, click Sign In to connect your Google Sheets account, and then click Test to ensure the connection is working correctly. This step is crucial as it verifies that Zapier can access your Google Sheets data. Now, moving to the action, click on the action section and you'll need to type SMS in the search bar. This will allow you to connect the SMS service to your Zap. Once you see it, click on SMS to continue. Again, like the trigger step, choose Send SMS as the event. This means once the trigger happens, an SMS will be sent. After that, you'll need to sign in once more to link your SMS account. Just follow the prompts, and once finished, click Test to make sure it's all linked up properly. Finally, once everything is set up and tested, click on Publish to set your Zap live. Publishing will activate your automation, so every new row added to your Google Sheets will now trigger an SMS notification. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've set up a Zapier SMS notification system. This automation can save you time and keep you informed with minimal effort on your part. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy automating!